Hey guys, it's me Ian. It's been a long time since I've made a video. This is just kind of random. I didn't plan this or anything, but I just basically want to solve what looks like the same cube. This is a regular Rubik's brand cube, and this is like an import cube, Diane Zanchi. And the difference is like this operates off of a spring, where this operates off of like the innards look like torpedoes the way they engineered it. Anyway, yeah. So also this one will like cut corners at 45 degrees, like where the Rubik's won't do it. I don't know if you can see that. If I just it'll just corner cut really easy. You can't really do that on the Rubik's. But anyway, so I just wanted to do a quick couple of solves. I'm gonna just mix this up randomly. So yeah, this takes a little bit longer to solve than this one because it turns a lot slower, and it kind of just, you stall during your algorithm, so it makes it hard. But anyway, so I'll go ahead and give this a solve. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Getting it. Okay, almost got it. Okay, there it is. Alright, it took me a while, but yeah, these are a little bit harder to solve because I learned my algorithms and I have it on muscle memory, so it's kind of hard when you're trying to solve a cube that doesn't turn as fast. Anyways, I'll do next. I'll solve this one. It should be a lot faster, but I'll make a separate video on it because I already took up a lot of time on that one. Anyways, well, thanks for watching, guys, and good luck on your cubing. Peace out. Bye.